Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be giving answers to are Binance still accepting NFT creators? Exactly 2 weeks ago, I made a video on how I apply to become a Binance NFT creator and the steps you need to take in order to become approved. And subsequently, I've been creating videos on how you can make your own NFT and how you can apply and how you can send your sample to Binance NFT team so that they can review it and accept you. In this video, I'm going to prove to you that Binance are still accepting creators. If you were to ask me, are Binance still accepting creators? If I said yes, some of you will believe, some of you will not believe. If I also said no, some of you will believe and some of you will not believe. So rather than giving you a yes or no answer, it is best for me to show you proof. At the end of this video, you'll be able to give an answer to that question. So without wasting much of your time, first of all, I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers. I really appreciate. So if you are new to the channel, a like and a sub is going to be fantastic. And drop a comment below on what you think about the video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So on the 6th to 9th 2021, few months back, Binance released 100 creators. They wanted to start Binance NFT, but first they said they needed 100 creators, and they are going to use these 100 creators to test to see if Binance NFT is going to be successful. They also mentioned that in future they will open it to more people to join the Binance NFT group. So as you can see here, these are the list of all the Binance first 100 creators. These are all of them that were selected. The purpose of this video is to prove that Binance are still accepting individuals into the Binance creators form. And how else can we prove it? First, you need to log into our Binance and you click on Binance NFT. So as soon as you have clicked on Binance NFT, you'll be brought to this place. So you can click on the marketplace so that you're going to see a list of available NFTs that are up for today. So all we just need to do is pick a creator's name. For example, KK Special is a creator. So you see this is what she's selling. Or look at this other one, is selling Drake picture. If you notice, I made a video on how you can create your own NFT. Something as similar like this. You can pick a picture from the internet, edit it to the extent that it looks very unique, and you have chances of selling it. If you are fortunate enough, you'll see somebody to buy it. So let's check some of these creators if they were among the list of the first 100. So I'm going to pick NFT SAHKA. So we are going to pick him. So we'll copy that, then we'll take it to the list of 100 and check if it's available. So we are going to find his name, we are going to paste it there and see. So right now, if I run a search of this creator, he's not in the list of this 100. I hope that has given you the answer to the question. So let's check another creator. Her name is KK Special. If you copy her name, KK Special, and you search it in the list of Binance first 100 creators, immediately I click on search, you can see that her name is not among. So those two people were not available when Binance first selected their first 100. So Binance said they will continue to make the forum open to more people to join in future. That is why you continue to see new creators joining into the platform. So this is not to discourage you from joining the platform. I've created a video on how you can make pictures like this. I've created a video on how you can create pictures like this and pictures like that. So all you just need to do is subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to keep uploading videos about Binance NFT and how to create images like that. If you're interested to know how you can make images like this, I want you to write it down in the comment section I'm going to give you. I hope I've given you the answer to the question. The question was, are Binance still accepting creators? The simple answer is yes, but they decide how they are accepting. So if you've applied for it and your sample are the way it should be, and you follow the steps that I had given in my previous video, then your chances of being accepted is going to be way higher. Because of their terms and conditions, there are many things I can show and there are some things I'm not supposed to show. So that is why you see me using a dummy account when showing people this tutorial. So I hope I've given you the answer to the question. If you found this helpful, I want you to like and sub to the channel. Thank you.